Hello everyone, my name is Yihuan Chen. Today I'm gonna talk about HIV. First, I'm gonna talk about public health problem. So, why does this problem exist in this society? HIV attacks and destroys the infection fighting CD4 cells of the immune system. The loss of CD4 cells make it difficult for the body to fight against infection and certain cancer. Without the treatments, HIV can gradually destroy the immune system and advance to advance to AIDS. How did that happen? HIV spread through the contact with the blood, semen, and seminal fluids, rectal fluids, vaginal fluids, and breast milk of a person with HIV. Where did it happen? More than 95% of HIV infections are in developing countries. Two-thirds of them in sub-Saharan Africa, where over 28 million people are living with HIV. And what are the risks for the community in the future? There are so many risks for the community. For example, the defining of the role of treatment in reducing infections, the potential for an epidemic of treatment resistance of HIV, and side effects of the treatments. There's lots of other risks for the community, so I think people need to have awareness for this. And what are the epidemiological factors? HIV is a retrovirus virus that infects and replicates primarily in humans CD4 plus T cell and macrophages. And how to solve these HIV problems? Um, I think most people get HIV because of risky sexual behavior. So I recommend get tested and know your partner HIV status, and more importantly, have less risky sex. And there's other way. There you can also take medicine to prevent this happen too. One is PrEP and the other one is PEP. PrEP is exposure, and PEP is post exposure, which is used in emergency situations. Um, there are it is hard to I can't find any cure HIV example because HIV can be cured for right now. Um, but there are still other way to help HIV people live longer. So they have a way called ART, is the use of HIV medicine to treat HIV infections. People on ART take a combination of HIV medicines every day, and ART is recommended for everyone who has HIV. But ART cannot be cured HIV, but that this medicine can help people with HIV live longer, live healthier life. HIV can also reduce the risk of HIV transmission too. Um, the HIV in the future. So I found some way to how to cure or prevent HIV from research. So, for example, the one called Shot and Kill, which aim to flush the virus out of its reservoirs and then kill the infected cells. And also we can gene editing, which aim to change immune cells so they can be infected by HIV. The other way called immune modulations, which is looking for way to permanently change the immune system to better fight against HIV. And the last one is called stem cell transplants, which aim to completely in, eliminate a person's infected immune system and replace it with a donor immune system. This is the most complex and risky approach. So, for my opinions of on the prevention of HIV problem in the future, I think even though HIV is so hard to be solved and cured, but there are still so many ways to prevent this happens. People need to know and educated to know the risk of doing risky sexual behavior and avoid doing this because there's high possibility to get HIV because doing risky and unprotected sexual behavior. And also, people need to stop sharing their needles, which can reduce the possibility to blood transmission too. And and most importantly, I think um, the scientists or researcher need to find out how to cure HIV, so people can radically to get cured and prevent from HIV permanently. This is my references. Thank you for watching. Bye.